for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Mercedes C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, trip computer, CD player, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.